Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. You can see this 12th October 2023 IELTS exam writing test 2 question was this. Okay, so here in this video we will discuss how to write to what extent do you agree or disagree. So there is a confusion actually. So some people are just asking whether we have to go for fully agree, whether we have to go for fully disagree, what kind of statement we can give. So you can there are 5 options, or you can make it any option. In fact, I would say you can go for fully agree, okay, and you can go for fully disagree also. And another situation, yeah, of course you must be knowing partially agree also. You can go for that. Partially agree, it means in one paragraph you will be writing about agreement, in another paragraph you will be writing about opposite side of the topic, whatever they are asking. Okay, so this is partially agree. And if so another situation, you can create your own side, or you can write I agree up to a certain point, or I agree up to a certain extent. It means here you will be writing 70% agreement and 30% disagreement. So you can write, you can just frame your essay according to your style. But in this essay, I am going to discuss how to write partially agree essay. Today we will be discussing partially agree essay, not fully agree, not fully disagree. Today this only we will just discuss about this. Okay, no, of course full essay we will write. So I will explain you planning, organizing points, and in first 5 minutes. So as you know, 40 minutes we have. In first 5 minutes we will plan, and in last 5 minutes you have to reread, means proofread your essay. Okay, and rest 30 minutes you have to write with proper clear beautiful writing. Okay, now let's read this statement. So there was some mistake, that's why I have just done this, don't worry about it. So it looks bad when there is a cutting and all. Okay, so people's shopping habits depend more on age group they belong to than any other factor. First of all, this question is really difficult to understand what they want to say. Here it was that. So people's shopping habit depend more on the age group they belong to than any other factor. So they are asking shopping habit depending on age group only, or some other factors are also responsible for shopping habits. This is the question statement. Okay, so first 5 minutes how we will spend? Of course we have to read the question statement 2-3 times, at least read the question statement 4 times, so that you will come out with the main topic. So what is the main topic here? I am asking you, just pause the video and just try to find out the main topic. Shopping habit they are asking. Okay, and the subtopics are, they are asking whether it is because of age group, okay, and or other factors also. Now you have to think about what other factors, then you can decide whether you will go for fully agree or disagree or partially agree. So other factors like age group, you can just think, you can just brainstorm the points. So what is age group? So age group is like 10 to 20 years old, or 20 to 25 years old, or 30 to 40 years old, or you can say old age group also. So everyone has different preferences and different kind of things they would like to buy. So this is the main question. They are asking shopping habit depend on the age group or any other. So what are the other factors? Yes, so according to my opinion, other factors, first one is monetary or money, you can say. Second one is interest, you can say. And third one is, I can tell you just like male and female, or men or women, men and boy and girl, male and woman, definitely their preferences are different. So you can just gender differences, you can write this word, gender difference. Okay, and of course advertisements. So these are the other factors. So now you decide whether this age group is important or other factors are important. That's why I was telling you I will write partially agree, or you can go for fully age group also. Just discuss full essay about age group and the age group, and you can just divide the essay into different age groups, and but I will write partially agree. Of course, format you should know. For this, first introduction. In BP paragraph we will be talk about this age group. So in age group, definitely younger people will go for fashionable and trending clothes, and also this is by mistake. So first point we will discuss about age group, means in body paragraph 1 age group points, and in second other factors we will discuss these other factors, and then conclusion. So what are the points that we are going to discuss in this age group, and this I will just show it to you. Of course, age group people will go for fashion kind of things and other electronic equipments and all. So in age group we will just talk about young adults, teenagers, women, old people. So actually this all come under gender, but I have described it in different way. Okay, so example you can give college going students, or women, housewomen, or housewives. In fact, you can just talk about. And in second paragraph I will talk about monetary factors, interest of a person, social status of is also main important, and fourth one is advertisement also influences or motivates to do more shopping. Okay, so here I will be using example also. Just try to think in advance. Rich people like Hollywood and Bollywood celebrities spend more on fashion due to excessive money and all. Okay, so let's write now. Okay, so important vocabulary also I will show it to you. Now this is the question. Of course, important words are here: shopping habits, and other is age group, other factors also. So what importance for shopping habits, we can write spending habits, purchasing habits, or shopping addiction or buying behavior of people. Okay, for age group we can write age brackets, age range, or different age groups. If you have another words for these keywords, you can use another words also. So let's write this introduction. So of course, as you know, introduction means what? So 3 sentence formula, always you should remember it. First one is general statement about, general sentence you can say about the topic. So our main topic is shopping habits. Okay, first number 1 this is, and second number is paraphrasing of question statement. Okay, as it is same, please do the paraphrasing. You can change the words and just do the paraphrasing. Third number, you have to announce your opinion. What do you say about this, whether you agree, because examiner has asked you whether you agree or disagree. To what extent you agree or disagree, you have to inform him in advance. I mean to say in introduction, it is important. And then this is optional, fourth number sentence, what you are going to discuss in upcoming paragraph. Okay, so these 4 sentences are there, otherwise you can write only 3 sentences. And if you are unable to make this general sentence about the topic, then leave it, then 3 sentences are enough. Okay, now let's discuss. So here they are asking, people's shopping habit depends more on age group that they belong to than any other factors. Okay, so we know shopping habits is the main topic, and it depends on age group and as compared to other factors. Okay, so now simple background statement. In this day and age, due to large number of products available in market, population or people around the globe have commonly developed, this is ED, extensive shopping addiction. Okay, this is developed. Sorry for this you should not do in your exam. This looks really bad in writing if you are just making it like that. Okay, now this is common sentence. Now paraphrasing. So paraphrasing, it is often argued that, or it is considered that, it is commonly believed that individuals purchasing behavior. So instead of shopping habits, I have written individuals purchasing behavior may depend only on the age group instead of other factors like budgets, like and budget means it is understood interest and the need of a person, and lastly social status. So these 4 points I have given as a reason of other factors. So it means examiner will understand that these factors I am going to explain it in the upcoming paragraphs. Now the main thing is my opinion. Although I agree that, now although sentence structure, see this, although I agree that age group matters a lot when a person is going for shopping, I think, now comma means stronger point, this is weaker point, this is stronger point. I think that another elements are also crucial for the shopping habits. It means I have just announced that this is also important, but these are also important. So partially agree statement is there. Okay, now coming to body paragraph 1. Now again I am showing you the question. We will be doing partially agree essay. So first body paragraph I will be writing about this age group point of view. Okay, so I will start my essay with, on the one hand, age group is one of the significant factor responsible for shopping habit. It is true that people buy things according to their age, such as young generation prefer to buy electronic gadgets, so such as is repetition, like, okay, or in bracket you can write mobile phones, headphones, laptops, and surely trending dresses. Okay, while mature adults would like to buy grocery items, vehicles, and household and other household goods. Okay, fine. So we have just distinguished age group. So what younger people are buying, what other mature people are buying, these things. Hence age group will buy different. So here also various age groups will buy different products. However, this group habits also differ according to their interest and gender difference. So see, whatever the point I have described it in brainstorming, in planning, so I am just describing it to explain it. When a woman, a woman, WOMAN, this is single, is out for shopping, definitely this is also DEFINITELY. Okay, this is not E, comma, definitely she would prefer to pick goods related to her family, kids, and her personal use, such as cosmetics and gold, you can write. Okay, gold, you know it, gold and jewelry, you can, gold jewelry, you can write it. Okay, now comma, whereas a male, this is male, MALE, male buyer, when a male buyer is going to purchase his own stuff, when a male buyer is going to purchase his own stuff and more interested in vehicles or properties. This is reality. So that's why this is age group kind of thing. Therefore age group factor along with gender differences and interest, you can write, as well as interest, because so many times we have written and, as well as their interest play an eminent role in deciding people's buying behavior. So this is my body paragraph 1. See this. First body paragraph is from here. See this till here. So don't worry about it, about the words, because I have written very not tightly. Like open words are there. Now body paragraph 2. Now for second disagreement, means I am favoring this also, other factors also. On the other hand, first paragraph I have started with, on the one hand, explaining, comma, explaining some of the another supporting point in favor of other factors responsible for this addiction. This is the common sentence, you can use it. Money is another important factor in consumer goods. Okay, this is the point I have announced now. It is considered that if a person is having a strong financial background, he can shop a lot without even thinking. Okay. To justify the same, now I have announced the point, I have given explanation, and this is my example. Expensive cars, watches can be purchased only by rich people in this world. Okay, so this is my example. Moreover, social status, now second point. This is my first point, this is my second point. Social status of many individuals also play a vital role in aggressive shopping behavior. That is why to remain in social limelight, they do lot of buying and even sometimes unnecessary. Okay, so explanation, announcement of my point, explanation, and that is why okay, so now example is there. Hollywood and Bollywood stars are the prime examples of this scenario, who are purchasing luxury cars. They have excessive money, and in order to gain popularity on social media, these people are doing it. Okay, now next third point. Apart from this, advertising, which influences almost every age group about new products and encouraging people to buy things. Okay, this is the point. So I think words were more, that's why I have not explained more about advertisement. See this second paragraph from here on the other hand, and see this till here, this is second paragraph, and you can conclude this paragraph also. Now coming to conclusion. See this, for this question statement, what conclusion I have written? Simple statement, just learn it, everywhere you can write it. To conclude, or you can use the word after analyzing the statement, then simple will come. Otherwise I have started with though, or even though, or despite also you can use. To conclude, even though different age range influences most buyers' habit, I personally believe that monetary, social and commercial advertisements, monetary, social and commercial advertisement factors should also be considered significant, as these cannot be ignored in general lifestyle. So this is my conclusion. Simple conclusion you can write, or you can start with to conclude. After analyzing all the aspects, okay, now give your opinion. I believe that now you start with this kind of statement. I believe that age group factor, because you are partially agree in this essay, that's why you need to tell I believe that age group, or you can I believe that age group factor can be considered important. However, these three factors you can write also play, cannot be ignored, cannot be overlooked in general lifestyles. Okay, so this you can write.